By now, you've probably at least heard about the trendy hot beverage known as bone broth. Many health experts and fans of this near magical elixir have been singing its praises, but it's actually being considered an excellent healer in numerous cultures for centuries. Bone broth is a versatile, rich source of nutrients, and it's inexpensive too. If you've never tried bone broth, you should definitely give it a try to receive this amazing 6 benefits. 1. Bone broth can help you look younger. Who doesn't want to look younger? Unless you're very young already, you can probably use a boost of youthfulness. And thanks to the high content of collagen in bone broth, it can help make your skin look younger and improve the appearance of your hair and nails too. Collagen helps to form tissues in the skin that make it stronger and smoother. Scientific research has shown that a high intake of collagen is linked to improved hydration and skin barrier functions, and a reduction in signs of aging like fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging. 2. Better sleep. Experts say it's due to the amino acids in bone broth, which act like inhibitory neurotransmitters for the production of chemicals and hormones that are important for sleep. Increasing glycerin intake has been shown to help people who suffer from sleep problems get better rest, as well as improve memory. That makes sense, as when you're well rested, you can think clearer too. 3. Stronger bones and healthier joints. The phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium in bones that are used to make bone broth seeps out into the liquid to provide you with the essential building blocks for healthy bones. Bone broth also contains chondroitin sulfate, which has been shown to lower the risk of osteoarthritis. If you suffer from joint pain, you probably know that taking glucosamine supplements can help, but bone broth contains this important compound too, along with other nutrients that keep the joints healthy and pain-free. 4. An energy boost. A boost of energy is something else most of us could use with our very busy schedules, often leaving us drained by late afternoon. As bone broth is a great source of electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and sodium, which help to sustain energy and are important for muscle, nerve, digestive, and cognitive function. Many bone broth fans swear by the boost of energy they get after consuming it. Some even claim it works better than coffee, without the side effects. 5. Helps detoxify the liver and digestive system. Consuming bone broth is an effective way to boost your supply of the antioxidant glutathione, one of the body's most powerful detoxifying agents. Glutathione helps the liver flush out excess chemicals stored in hormones and other waste. 6. Boosts immunity. Bone broth fasts can increase beneficial bacteria living in the gut, which are highly correlated with stronger immunity. Good bacteria in the gut can actually turn on certain genes that help regulate inflammation and turn down numerous types of unwanted symptoms.